We'll guide you through how to create and host a Google Meet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Meet is a great way of hosting online meetings, whether it's for business or just catching up with somebody. So we'll guide you through how you can go and create your own and the different ways, and our preferred way as well. So make sure it's this full guide so you know what to do. To get started, you want to come to Google Meet. To get here is really easy. You can just go and search for Google Meet and come to the site, which is meet.google.com. You'll then be here. So to go and get started with your own, you need to go and press the button New Meeting. So first of all, you've got the option for Create a Meeting Later. So you can go and click that. What's going to happen is a link will be generated here. You can copy it and then you can go and save it somewhere and give that to people. This is not my preferred way because it can easily go and get lost and you can then lose it and it's just annoying. I don't find that the most ideal, so we'll close that for now. The next way is by pressing New Meeting. You can go and press Start an Instant Meeting. When you go and click this, you're going to be taken into your call, as you can see. This isn't ideal as you may not be ready for your call right now. You want to go and get it ready for later. You can once again go and grab the link here in the bottom left. And also if you press the I in the bottom right, you'll go and see the link up here and you can copy this. You can then save it and start emailing it to people. I still don't find it ideal because people can easily forget it. They aren't reminded about it. So for now, I'm going to go and close this like this. So we're going to return to the home screen. I think the best way is by using Google Calendar. So when we go and schedule it in Google Calendar, first of all, it's going to go and add the link into our calendar so we can easily go and find it again. But also we can go and make it so it goes and sends the email out to our contacts and people who want to be in it. So I just think it's really convenient. So what we're going to do is go and press this here. And also they can add it to their calendar as well, so they won't forget about it. So we'll press Schedule in Google Calendar. To get started, you want to go and give this a title. So I could go and name this GuideRealm Catch-Up. Then what you want to do is you can choose when it is. So by default, it's got today's set, which is 21st. I'll click here. Let's say it was next Wednesday. I can make it the 28th. You can then go and choose when it's going to go and be. So you choose the time. Then you can choose it's going to end. If you want to, you can make it all day. And you can actually choose if it goes in repeats as well, which is convenient. Now, because we went through Google Meet, it's generated our Google Meet link here. So you've got that there. You don't need to add a location. What we can do is add a notification, which is really convenient. So people can often go and forget if they've got a meeting on. So you can go make sure the notification goes through at 30 minutes before. You could add another one as well. Maybe you could do it a day before as well, just so people don't forget, like that. Then what you can do is go and choose the calendar you're adding it to, add it to my one, make it blue. And we can then make it busy and default visibility. Add the description like this is important or whatever you want. Now what we can do is start adding people. So come to the right where it says add guests and you can then just start typing in emails and contacts you've got here. So let's say I wanted to add in this account here. I could select it and they're then going to go receive an email about it and they'll go and get the reminders as well. So when you're ready and you've invited the different people, what you can then do is go and press save at the top. And now what we can do is go and send the invitation email, which is what we want. So we can go and press send and there we go. So now you can go and find in your calendar. I can come to the next week. Let me come to month. Then I can go and find it here. As you can see, the 28th, we can click on it. And then we have the button join with Google Meet and we've got the link as well. Copy the info if you want to the right. I'll click here and we're now on the Meet and we can go and join it. Of course, it is scheduled, but we can still go and join it now. That's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you in the future with more useful guides just like this. We've got loads more to come as well, but there's already loads in the channel helping you out with not just Google Meet, but loads of other things as well. So I look forward to help you again in the future. Consider subscribing and liking the video. If you've got any suggestions, put them down below and I'll try best to get back to them. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.